What's up, guys? It's 2:44. I'm ready to go. Just got in the car, ready to go to Taro's. I'm a little late, so I gotta hurry up, but I'm just so pumped for today. And I just can't wait to meet a bunch of Taro's friends and just see if we can get it done today. Yeah, whatever happens, I just know it's in God's hands. It's for God's glory. And I'm just so thankful to be able to be awake and alive and active at 2:44 in the morning. So I'm ready to go. Let's get it. Look at all these elk. This is crazy.
What's up, Eli? We're gonna get some footage for you today. We're gonna murder some geese.
Yo, where's Bryce at? Bryce, where's that mustache at? Hey, I love it. You look good, Bryce. Taro, you got anything to say to Eli?
Can't wait for him to edit this video. See the message I left him when we were setting up the decoys. When this goes crazy on YouTube, I want 10% of the proceeds.
Let's go, baby!
Woo!
Shot! Is that you, David?
Peter, did you shoot?
Nope.
Did you film?
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Come on.
Yeah, baby!
Let's go.
You have to, like, wet it?
Spit on it.
Ew. What did he say?
What did he say?
What did he say?
What did he say? Unbelievable.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Woo!
Two more?
Cut his coat off.
Yeah, because he borrowed it.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, wait. I swear.
Yep.
Yeah, get in.
Woo! Woo! Smoking them.
But none by now.
Nate, can you grab the bow?
Oh, we grab the bow.
I think that'd be sick.
We clean up.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you got battery life.
Dude, heck
we'll
yeah.
Clean up.
Heck yeah.
No! Wait!
Yep. 5. To left.
Let him run. Kill him. You got one! Good job, Colin. Because I don't know if he has any shells. He got her.
Yeah.
He banded.
Woo.
These ones go overhead without saying, man, I wish I would have tried a shot.
Oh, I just felt like. Hey! Oh, those colors. Attaboy.
That is a huge Canada.
Oh, 3.
Good stuff, boys. You guys keep going.
That is really tense.
Let's go, Pete. Beat him down, baby. Oh, birds.
Let's ride.
I wonder why they're sticking to the right. They know Bracken.
One of them hurt.
Big block commit.
Anyone else take them?
This stuff is chalky. That's chalky.
Yeah, it is.
Ruben's coming back up.